Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to do uh, an awesome powtoon video. Powtoon is web-based, how to say, apps or whatever. It is video editing. It is in the app, so you don't need to download or you don't have to do anything. As long as you have like internet connection, you can do it. So I'm going to demonstrate you like in a series of 5 that is a short video clip. So if you are interested in doing like powtoon video, okay, stay continue. Okay, in order to make a powtoon video, you should go to www.powtoon.com here, okay, and then you have to go there and then enter it, and then they will ask you to sign in. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, powtoon. Okay, I will just do like this, and then this will pop up, so you just click here, and then okay, this screen will come up. Sorry, I have already like one account that I have signed in, so this is popped up. Okay, you have to sign up using your Facebook or Google or Instagram, I think. So it is easy. Okay, so right now I have like some projects that I'm doing. So this project I did it like years ago, and then it already exported and then uploaded in my channel. So if you're interested in like ADHD, like attention deficit, what does it mean ADHD, so you can go to my channel and then you can check this video. Okay, right now I'm going to how to say edit this one. Right now I'm currently doing this. Okay, so it is easy. To start, okay, hold on. Okay, this is how does it look like. So you can export your, if you have like PowerPoint that you have set, you can just export that PowerPoint into this, and then you can edit on it. Okay, this is a video, so you have to have like adjusting the time. Okay, adjusting the time, and then you can just, and then you have to adjust the time. Okay, basically. And then another thing is like it is a blank, and then so you can add something that you want. So the thing that you can add is, okay, the next thing I forgot to mention is, this is like you have free version, or you can buy it, like if you're convenient you can buy it. But I think if you're new to this, just only using free version like me, that will be totally fine. And then you can just use like some free item here. And then I thanks to powtoon, because like they just like give free, how to say, character, and then it's free to access it, right? So it is quite easy for us to access like student like me. So okay, so this is how we do like powtoon video. And then if you really want to know how to do the powtoon video, okay, I will upload next video, so stay tuned.